Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com with a market wrap-up. Okay, I wanted to come and do a wrap-up today because, look, I was going to do a midday, but there really wasn't much to talk about today. You can see, we talked about it this morning on the webcast. This is an hourly chart. You can see the compression. The bands, we had to move up to 0625, which helped us finish off an overnight long. Then we moved down into the mid-90s. We had a little bit of a short there. We're short 0.2 and then it basically chopped up the whole afternoon. I ended up pretty much flat on the day, up about 3.5 handles, but it's just that kind of day. It was just really tight, kind of choppy day. So the reason I'm coming on here is just to say out loud, guys, it is a tight, choppy day. It goes back to what I talked about before the market opened. We're hanging out. And you know what? The market has every right to hang out for a day or two here because we just did this one after doing this one. Compression, Chop City, compression. So here, why don't we do this? We'll do this together. We'll scoot this right up here and drop it right in the middle of today and call it what it is, which is compression. So as far as the overnight is concerned, you can see the hourly mid-band here. It's coming in right at the round number there. It's 2,900. That's kind of the bull-bear line for me. We've spent the last 5 to 6 hours underneath the hourly mid-band. And, does that mean that the bears are going to ultimately prevail? No. What it does mean is that I'm going to make the bulls prove to me that they can convert 2,900 again and turn it into support before they get a setup from me. So right now I am leaning towards the short side, if for no other reason than the bulls have got to show me that they can convert that hourly mid-band. We'll check in periodically with it throughout the night, and I will catch all of you tomorrow morning on the morning webcast. So look, enjoy your compression. Understand that on the back end of compression is expansion. Could be expansion up, could be expansion down, but we're traders, so we don't really care. It's expansion. All right. Everybody have a great night. I'll catch you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.